What's going on, everybody? It's Slang Dutchman here, and today we're in the E36 and we're heading to Utrecht, which holds the annual E36 meet. Now I have some people on live location. They're almost at my exit, so we're gonna start driving and let's see some cool E36s today. Let's go. We have arrived.
Speed it up, faster, speed it up. Wasn't it just yesterday when we were young and carefree? Not a damn thing in this world could ever scare me. We never had it all, but we survived through the twists and the turns. Getting the money and the girls was my only concern. Was born in the third, raised in the first. I know it firsthand. I know about the struggle and the blessings of a free land. But we ain't free, man. Ain't nothing in this world free. Look around, the vision is all I see. The rich go here, the poor stay here. The rest of y'all try your best to find you a career. I steer away from all that mess and overtake the competition. Speeding away fast like racing is my religion. What they speak about is not my concern. Leave them all in smoke while I let these tires burn. Clock keeps ticking and we on the last lap. You know I got the handle, so we drifting through the track. And they bring it.
So here we go, a little lap around. I hope you like M bumpers. So that's what we're gonna see. Real M3 or not. This black one is kinda nice, all in black, good wheels. Oh, it's not even black, it's blue. This one is on air. It's just fully on the ground. Good look though. But you know what they say, air is for balloons. But compared to last year's E36 meet, there's a lot more people this year. This one looks so good in yellow. So this is basically the plan. Turbo E36. It sounded awesome on the highway, but another yellow one. This color though. Also, one of the colors I really like is a factory BMW color. Violet purple, I believe it is. And another one is inspiration. You can lose your children in this. Or go supercharged. Here we've got a few that are more track oriented. This is a very clean example, also supercharged. This one is in rally. Then we have My Beauty. And we know this one. It's not an E36, but we kind of appreciate this. This thing is so beautiful. And then we have the E36 of Jordi. He said I will just park it next to this thing, so at least at the end of the day I might have some photos. Oh Jordi, you made the video. So as the meet is shrinking in size, people are leaving. I didn't film it because it came as a complete unexpected surprise, but there was like some trophies to be reached out to people, and I got a trophy. I got 3rd place in Best of Show, so completely as a surprise, and I'm very proud of myself for, you know, just having something that is cool enough that it got a trophy. This is my 2nd trophy now. I won 1 trophy with the CRX back in the day, but this is one for the shelf. Very proud of this one. So thanks to everyone that voted for my car. Really appreciate that. Gives me some motivation to keep doing what I'm doing. Everyone who came out, thank you for coming out, because it was a great turnout of E36s. A lot of cool cars everywhere. There's a lot of the same cars, but like a lot of the meets, you come for the cars and you stay for the people. We spoke a lot of people that we know in the scene. We met some new people. Even met some people that I now have a deal with. They had some M mirrors, which are good looking but terrible to look through. But I have like an extra set of normal mirrors and see one of the normal sets, so I was like, okay, let's do that. So we're gonna meet up and exchange mirrors. So that will be a mod in one of the upcoming videos. For now I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace!